It is Tuesday, April 21st, and I'm going to be explaining two trades that I took on Sunday and why I closed them at a small win. So, starting off with Euro USD. So, when the market opened on Sunday, I had this support zone marked up, this blue zone right here. I was waiting for it to come down here and bounce. So, as soon as it got there, I bought right away. The trade looks something like this. Yep, and I targeted a 1 to 2. So market got there, right? It went to a 1 to 1, but then New York session started and it started to bounce right here, right? So came up, right? I was expecting a bounce for it to go up, but instead it just went down. So I closed the trade around right here because if it wanted to go up, it would have just gone up, but instead it didn't. Instead, it came down to the support again. And what I did is I waited for a retest. So right here, I placed I placed a trade today on this pair on Euro USD. Let me go back. Let me go down to the 15-minute. So I waited for it to come down here, literally right here. Right? And I was like, okay, I'm gonna wait for a retest. So as soon as it got down, like it already played out. But what happened was I waited for it to come right here, and then I got in right here, and I put my stop loss like above this high. I targeted a 1 to 2, right? And I closed this trade like right here because I've taken this trade so many times, right? I've taken so many break and retest trades. This should have like when it got right here, it should have like came up, got in right here, right? And it should have gone down. There's no reason for it to like go up like it did right here. But these zones are so random, right? The only thing you can do is control risk. And if I was to still be in this trade, I'll be in drawdown still. I feel like it's going to go against me. You know, it looked like it just came down here, bounced off this support, and I think it's going to go up. But yeah, and also on AUDCHF, I placed the trade on Sunday as well. Okay, so right here, I had this support zone marked up. So let's go back to Sunday. So Sunday, the market opened right here, right? It had this huge drop. It didn't bounce at the support zone. This just came down here and bounced, right? But instead, it just blew right past the zone, right? So it came down. So I was like, okay, I wanted it to pull back to the previous support that will be used as resistance if it can get up there. And that's exactly what happened. So I got in like right here, right? Stop loss like close to the high, around right here, and I targeted a 1 to 2. Clean trade, I was in profit right away. Then it started to go down. Then today, okay, so right here, I was asleep, but like right here, this is when I woke up and I saw that it was following a market structure. So it retested, came down, right? This right here, this is a support, a resistance zone, came down, right? It came down to the next support zone, right? It's going from zone to zone. it retested, went down a little, and instead of forming a lower low, it formed like a little lower high. So you can see like it can like go up like this, right? But I waited for it to go up a little bit more. So I moved my stop loss to around like right here to this high. Because this should have just dropped. This should have just like came right here to the support, right here, came then go up here, and then just drop. But it didn't. And yeah, as soon as it got up here, market structure got invalidated, so I decided to close this trade at a small win. One thing that I've learned from trading is that there's nothing wrong with my analysis. Like, I trade support and resistance. If market structure starts to get disrespected, I'm not thinking what's wrong with me. I'm thinking what's wrong with the market. Like, it's not following what I want it to do. And right now, if I was to still be in this trade, it would probably go against me. It might still go down, but right now, so these two trades, they resulted in a small win, both of them. And right now, I'm in a trade. I'm in GBP JPY. Hold on. Okay. So it's in a little bit of profit, but the reason why I took this trade was because it got up here to this resistance zone. Alright, so if we go to the 1 hour, take the kill zones off. It like this right here, these were like support zones. Like you can see, like it bounced again, it's like a ping pong. Then it broke down, right? And then it came up. It had a deep pullback, so I got in, right? And I'm going for a 1 or 2, expecting for it to go down. If it goes against me, I have my stop loss like above this high. So if I lose, I'll lose a little bit of money. It's all good. But yeah, it's better to protect capital if the market is not doing what you want it to do. And yeah, that's pretty much it.